Hi, Sarush. Thank you for redoing it. I noticed that some of the language that you used in your last assessment wasn't your own. So this one, at least, is your own is your own words. It's really important to use your own words, even if you think you're not, you don't sound good or not as good as maybe what you read or what you hear. That's okay. I just want to see where you are at in terms of your own level. And we work with it and we try to improve little by little. Um, that's all we can hope for is that we get better with, practice, lots of extra practice. So I'm looking at your questions. I think Ella wanted to realize her uncle. So don't forget to her uncle what? So I think you missed a word there. What does she want to realize? She illustrated that a young girl could reach their goals. Preposition with, form of the word. What's the adjective form? It should be extreme, with extreme effort. So true, she did. The the question though was Ella's on a personal journey. Let's go back to the actual question. So in this movie, the main character, Ella, was on a personal journey. Describe the significance. So meaning why was this journey important? And did you feel she accomplished it? So let's go back to your entry. I don't think so. So meaning, I guess here you need more detail. So I don't think that she accomplished her goal. For starting every plan, we should have forecast most of any problem and try to solve it. Not sure, that's not clear. So I think your vocabulary here, you need different words for starting every plan. So when we start a plan, we should predict, maybe is the word that you're looking for, what the problems might be and try to solve them. And then again, this sentence isn't clear. For protection of environment, before anything, we have to teach people, and then we need to make changes. Maybe you want to say there. Again, question number 2, I think needs much more detail for link 6, speaking assessment. When each person try to decide for doing anything, just decide it's not important. Check the situation is so important. Again, you're not answering the question. So the question is, are there any other themes in the movie? So not clear what you mean here. What theme is like the main ideas, the things that the movie is teaching us. So about the environment, about traditions, about family values and the importance of family. So what are the themes in the film and how do you know, or what are some examples of these themes? All right, so maybe you could redo your answers one more time on paper and bring them to class. That would be great. Okay, thanks, Sarush.